विश्वगुरु मोदी जी की जय।
His Excellency Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim, my dear friends, brothers and sisters, Salamat Pang. Vanakkam. Sukamano. Sat Sri Akal. Bagunda. Kem Cho. The warmth of your greetings reflects the beautiful diversity of our shared culture. First of all, I thank my dear friend Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim for joining this community celebration. I also thank him for his very kind words on the scale and future potential India-Malaysia friendship in his speech just now. Not just that, he came to the airport to welcome me. And he brought me here in his car. Not only his car, but his seat also. These special gestures reflect his love and respect for India and for all of you. I'm grateful for your warm words, hospitality, and friendship. Friends, we have just seen our record-setting cultural performance. More than 800 dancers in perfect harmony. This performance will be remembered by our people for years to come. I congratulate you. I congratulate all the performers, friends. Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim and I have been friends even before he became Prime Minister. I commend his focus on reforms, his great intellect and able chairmanship of the ASEAN in 2025. Last year, I could not visit Malaysia for the ASEAN summit, but I promised my friend that I will come to Malaysia soon. And as promised, I'm here. This is my first foreign visit in 2026. I'm delighted to be with you during these festive times. I hope everyone celebrated Sankranti, Pongal, and Taipusam with great joy. Soon, the festival of Shivratri is coming. In a few days, Ramzan begins, and then Hari Raya will be celebrated with great devotion. I wish everyone happiness and good health. Friends, Malaysia has the second largest Indian origin community in the world. There is so much that connects Indian and Malaysian hearts. The exhibition that Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim and I saw a short while ago shows this connection beautifully. You are living bridge that links us. You have connected Roti Canai with the Malabar Parota, coconut, spices, and of course, Teh Tarik. The flavors feel so familiar, whether it is in Kuala Lumpur or Kochi. We understand each other so well. It must be due to the large number of common words between our languages and Malay. I've heard that Indian movies and music are popular in Malaysia. You all know that Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim sings very well. But many Indians back home did not know it. During his last visit, they were pleasantly surprised. Videos of him singing an old Hindi song in India went viral. It is wonderful that he also loves Tamil songs of the legendary MGR. Friends, I know that India has a special place in your hearts. I remember very clearly an instance from 2001 when there was an earthquake in my home state of Gujarat. Many of you came together to help. I thank you all. And even long before that, to make India a free country, thousands of your ancestors made great sacrifice. Many of them had never seen India, but they were among the first to join Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Indian National Army. In his honor, we then renamed the Indian Cultural Center in Malaysia after Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. I also take this moment to salute the efforts of the Netaji Service Center and Netaji Welfare Foundation in Malaysia. Friends,